Good afternoon. My name is Yuri Cárdenas. And I study psychology. I am 34 years old. I work in a security company. I like singing. I am from Colombia. I live in Bogotá. His name is Enrique Iglesias, and he is a famous singer. He has short, strained brown hair and brown eyes. He lives in Miami. He's tall and he has a beard and mustache. He has a black jacket and shirt white. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Tatiana Aguilar. I am 25 years old. I am from Boyacá, Colombia. I am psychology student. I like to ride my bike and listen to music. It is my cat. His name is Mordelon. It is 60 years old. It is big. It is fat. It is black. His eyes are yellow with green. It is has layer whiskers. It is like to jump and run a lot. It is like to shake pigeons. It is like to play with balls. It is like to go out to play with other cats. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Laura Valentina Arango. I am from Colombia, Bogotá. I am 22 years old. I was born on December 1st, 1998. I currently live with my son and husband. I like romance series. We don't identify myself. I study psychology. My favorite colors is Ellen Pompe. She's an actress. We has born on November 10 in your United States. Her is blonde, her eyes are blue, she's tall and thin. Thank you for your attention.